The Perseid Meteor Shower is the most impressive meteor shower of the year. In really dark skies, you can see up to 100 meteors per hour, each one of them characterized by a streak of light, and for the brightest ones, sometimes even a little bit of color. However, in Toledo, we have really light-polluted skies, and so you're not going to see 100 per hour. You might see more like a few per hour, maybe up to 10 per hour, depending on where you are in the city. If you want the best possible view of the Perseids, you got to get away from the city lights, drive up into northern Michigan or somewhere like that, and you'll get a really spectacular view of the meteor shower. The Perseids are little bits of rock and ice left behind by a comet named Swift-Tuttle. It was discovered in 1862, and it made its last closest approach to the sun in 1992. Each meteor is a bit of rock and ice burning up as it enters the Earth's atmosphere at thousands of miles per hour. Meteor showers are named after the constellation in the sky from which it appears that the meteors are all coming from. In this case, it's the constellation Perseus, and so we call it the Perseid Meteor Shower. The best way to see the meteor shower is to just look up. You don't need binoculars, you don't need a telescope, you don't need someone to point out where something is in the sky, you just want to look up. The best time to view a meteor shower is always after midnight, because that's the side of the Earth that's crashing into the debris left by the comet. However, you can see them even in the early evening, sort of 10 o'clock at night and beyond. But the best time is midnight. That's when the most number of meteors will be crashing into the Earth's atmosphere. The University of Toledo's Ritter Planetarium hosts shows at 8:30 p.m. on Friday evenings, and we have a question and answer session afterwards, as well as observing if the weather is clear, so you can come by and ask any questions that you might have.